Earn $600 in 24 hours reading emails. How to make money online. Can you believe it? Can you believe this? Those emails that you're getting, that you can actually make money just reading emails? You can. And in this video I'm going to show you how. I'm going to tell you where to go to do it, and we're starting right now. Hey, I'm JR Fisher. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. Have you subscribed? If not, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down there. It's the big red button. Once you hit it, it'll turn gray. Once it turns gray, a bell will pop up. You want to click the bell. You want to turn on all notifications. And here's why you want to do these wonderful things. You'll be part of the VIP group that gets notified every single time I do a new video or I go live. So check it out. Make sure you turn on those notifications. Okay, so in this video I'm going to talk to you about making money just reading emails. Before I get started, I do want to remind you I have a course below. It's a $97 course, but guess what? It's free for a limited time. All you have to do is click and learn. No credit card required. Go grab it while you can. If you have comments about ways to make money online, don't forget to put those below. I'm going to go through a whole bunch of them here, but maybe you've got some ways that you make money online too. This is just reading emails. This is pretty simple stuff. Okay, let's check it out. Let's get started. Now, I remember when the internet first came out for me, when I first signed up, and I got AOL, and I had an email account, and I would log into the email account, and you know that saying, you've got mail. Well, I didn't have mail. No, there was no mail. I would check all day long, and there's no mail, nobody mailing me, because nobody else had an account. I was kind of an early adopter, and everybody I talked to, I said, well, you ought to send me an email. They said, I don't have an email account. And as time went on, more and more people got emails. I started to get emails. It was very exciting. And now, how excited are you when you open your email box? Not very excited. But what if when you opened your email box, when you started reading emails, you started making money? That'd be pretty cool, right? So let's get into it. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, the first company I want to talk about is called Inbox Dollars. Okay, Inbox Dollars. Like, if you've ever tried searching for ways to make money online, you had to have come across Inbox Dollars. Maybe you didn't. I don't know. It's one of the most popular sites out there, and it's a great way to read emails and make money. Now, whether you're on a desktop, computer, mobile, it doesn't really matter. Just for signing up for Inbox Dollars, you're going to get $5 just for signing up. The platform is going to send you different companies' emails to your inbox. When you open and read them, you can actually earn money from these emails. Okay, so when there aren't any new emails to read, you can do numerous other things in there. You can answer surveys, you can go through their search bar there, you can do some shopping for a chance to earn more money. You will need to earn at least $30 in your account to be able to cash out. Okay, but the good news is Inbox Dollars, of course, like I said, is going to give you $5 just for signing up. So you want to sign up at Inbox Dollars. Now, I'm going to give you several of these, but you don't have to just do one. You could do all of them and earn even more money. The next company I want to tell you about is called Vendale Research. Vendale Research has been around for a very long time. If you're not in the mood to read emails, but you still want cash, that's not a problem, because they'll reward you money for just opening and viewing their emails. Now, this may sound hard to believe, but it's an authentic site with legit help to help you make money with emails. There's no confusing point system or anything like that. You straight up are just going to earn cash for reading emails. There's a $50 limit for withdrawing your earnings, so you can only do $50. Now, this may sound like a very large amount, but once you start with your emails, the money pretty much racks up pretty fast. If you want to reach that limit even quicker, there's a ton of other stuff you can do for more cash. You can fill out daily surveys like the other site, answer polls, watch videos, and a lot more. There's lots of different bonuses. You can instantly get a $1 reward simply for just joining. Okay, so you subscribe to their emails and you're going to get another $2. If you get a friend to use Vendale Research, you can get a $5 bonus on top of that. So just like that, you can end up with $50 in your account pretty quick. Next site I want to tell you about is called My Points. Let's check out My Points. Reading emails can definitely get you extra money. However, you know how you can earn even more cash through the same emails. You'll notice that sometimes the emails you get have some sort of action for you to do. It could be to follow a link to another website or click on a button, something along those lines. But if you do these extra tasks, you're going to be responding to these emails and getting a chance to make more money. So the question comes up, well, how do you do that? Well, it's an authentic site. My Points rewards you 5 points every time you open an email and use the link provided by its partners. $1 is equal to about 140 points. So you need at least $5 to get a gift card, at least $25 to get the direct cash through PayPal. To help you get this amount faster. They also offer you various ways to earn points on your computer or phone. When you get tired of reading and responding to emails, you can also watch some videos for a while. You can also earn up to 500 points a day for doing that. Next one I want to tell you about, pretty cool one, been around a long time, called Swagbucks. Swagbucks. It's pretty much impossible to talk about making money online without including this website called Swagbucks. It has more than 20 million users, and it's pretty safe to say it's one of the better platforms online. Now, it doesn't cost anything to join Swagbucks, and you can rest assured that you will get your money. Okay, they don't rip people off. They offer a variety of different things you can do to compete for Swagbuck coins. It could be things like surveys, watching videos, playing games, cashback shopping, searching the internet, a whole bunch of other stuff. More importantly, it rewards you for reading emails as well, so you can do the email thing. This also helps you earn Swagbucks, where 100 Swagbucks is equal to $1. You're going to get bonus rewards just for signing up. Therefore, you can imagine how long it's going to take for you to rack up considerable amount of money. Not long at all. Eventually, you can get your earnings through gift cards or get them through PayPal. It's also available on iOS systems, Android systems, but you can read emails and make money anywhere. Like what you hear? Check it out. Go to Swagbucks. Next one up is called Inbox Pays, and the name basically says what it is. It's another great site to get money from looking at emails. If you join, you're going to actually get a $5 bonus like some of the other ones here. There's a ton of different activities outside of just reading emails too. You can also do the surveys, refer friends to the site, that type of thing. The best part is your emails get sent to your inbox every day, so not one day goes by without earning anything. You're going to make money every single day now. The emails are mainly from advertisers. They're going to ask you to click on a link and complete some type of offer. You can make about 25 cents per email, and it's not hard to quickly collect a significant amount of money. The minimum payout also on this one, I want to notify you, is 25 bucks, which you can simply get the cash through your PayPal account, so you don't need a bank account or anything like that. Next one I want to talk to you about is Fusion Cash. It's also a really good option if you're wondering how to make money and specifically how to get paid to read emails. Fusion Cash, it's kind of like Swagbucks, but it's a little bit more specific on what you do. You're going to get a $5 bonus just for signing up, so you're going to automatically have money. And then as you continue to read your emails, you can get even more and more money. The minimum payout is like the other ones, 25 bucks, which means you'll be reading emails for a while before you get your hands on cash. However, with the extra ways to earn money, you can be cashing out pretty quickly. You can answer surveys, also play games, participate in forums. You can also refer friends and make money off that, and get more earnings based on some other activities they have in there. Furthermore, cashing out is really simple. You can use your PayPal account. They'll just send the money over there. Next one I want to tell you about is Daily Rewards. Your Daily Rewards, run by the same company as Inbox Dollars. What do you know? Daily Rewards is another great way for you to earn money online. It works very similar to the other sites that I've mentioned, and you won't have any trouble getting your hang of it. It's not hard to do. To start, you're going to need to sign up, which is completely free, okay, and complete a short survey. The reason you're going to complete the survey is it kind of directs better the type of things they're going to send over to you, so it better matches you as a person. Next one I want to talk about is Cash Crate. Cash Crate, you see their little logo on the screen there now. If these other sites mentioned now have a high payout limit, this platform will be perfect for you. Cash Crate is a fantastic and totally safe site to use that allows you to get paid to read emails. You're going to get PayPal money, and you're going to enjoy life with your extra income. Joining is easy and it costs you nothing. You're going to get a $1 reward just for signing up. Then as you start receiving emails, you get a chance to earn more. These emails are usually from advertisers like the other ones. They may contain some affiliate links, and when you click on these links and go to an advertiser's site, you will earn cash. Sometimes you'll get survey invites in your inbox as well. Moreover, you can play games, shop online, refer friends for a chance to increase earnings. Once you've got at least $20 in your account, you can cash out. Next one up, Unique Rewards. Despite the name, there's nothing really that unique about this, okay? But it's still an excellent way to get paid to read your emails. It's an excellent Entirely safe and authentic site, and pretty easy to use with the video tutorials that they provide. You can join for free, after which you'll get $5 bonus just for that. Refer a couple of friends, you can get another $5 per person. Then you can start reading the emails in your inbox and earning money. They're mostly from advertisers, just like the other ones, and you just click on it, and a lot of times you'll earn money just for clicking. Other than that, you can also answer surveys, shop online, complete other offers as well. The minimum payout on this one is $20, which directly goes to your PayPal account, so you can opt on receiving a check in the mail if you don't want to do it that way. Now here's the truth, guys. This is not going to get you rich. However, for those of you out there who have no money to invest in a business, you have no other skills online which you should be working on, you could go to a couple of these sites and you can earn some money every single day, have some money coming in. What I would suggest is that you do some of these things, you get some of this money coming in, you put it aside, and then you invest it into your own business online. This is a starter way. Okay, this is a starter way to make money online. This is not going to get you rich. You're not going to make, you know, thousands of dollars a month or anything like that, but you can earn a lot of money if you want to spend some time on these things. It takes time. All these things take time. So when you're starting to make money online, you've got two choices. You can either invest your money to build a business, or you can invest your time because you don't have the money to build a business. You got to do one or the other. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you out. Let me know in the comments section what you thought of the video, any of these companies here, who you're going to try out, which one you're going to use, what experience have you had. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, give me some reaction. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe below. Hit the subscribe button. Don't forget, turn on bell notifications right here. Make sure you turn on all notifications so that you will know when I do a new video. You'll be part of the Fisher family. You'll be part of the VIP group, the people that are better than everybody else because they're in front of the line. Okay, so you're not better than anybody else, but you will be in front of the line, and when I go live we can actually even talk, which is pretty nice. Also, don't forget, I have a course below. It's a $97 course. How much are you going to pay? Nothing. You can get it absolutely free. That's a deal. Go down there now, click that link, click and learn. Cost you nothing. Thanks so much for watching this video, but if you really want to grow your business, you got to check out this video right here, right now. You got to go right to this video. You'd be so happy you did. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below to find out more.